the free, not you alone, Rizal. O souls and spirits of the martyred brave, arise, arise and scar the land. She once again, your willing blood, infuse the migrant red into our anemic veins. Until you pick up your Promethean tools and strong. Out of the deathless matrix of your faith, in us, and on the silent lips of freedom, young and girl, for all time your memorial dream, until our people say, or become, like the Mulate, live, resilient, staunch, rising on the hillside unafraid, strong on its own fiber, yes, like the Mulate. Not yet, Rizal, not yet. The glory hour will come. Out of the silent dreaming, from the 7,000-fold silence, we shall emerge saying, we are Filipinos.